Hi, it's Teresa with Crafty with Teresa. I made it! I tried really hard to get this out for you today. I have several techniques in this video. You're going to see dry embossing techniques using just a stylist that has a little ball on the end and allows you to kind of make your own, kind of draw your own, or trace or copy. So here's one. And I have another video that's a little bit more detailed that's associated with this, and I can attach that in here also. And here's the card that we made. Next, you can use some 2D and 3D embossing folders and make some real nice texture and dimension to add to your cards. So here is a 2D embossing folder. One little trick, don't forget to spritz that cardstock before you run it through your machine. Take a look. I love this patchwork look and quilted look. And we'll add that to the card, and this one will be a slimline card with a fun fold type look. Take a look. Another technique, you can stencil and emboss, and there are so many masks and stencils that are available today, and I'm going to show you a sneak peek of one that's already done. Then I'm going to walk you through using some Distress Oxide ink, adding it through the stencil, and then at the very end you're going to put that into the embossing machine and make a beautiful set of cards, and just in time, because I don't know about you, but I'm getting excited. I'm looking forward to spring in the next few months. Take a look and let me know what you think. Another technique that we'll go over in today's video is, how about if you use your stencils or mask, partial die cut, and then emboss. Just add it to a card stock, add a few little doodles in there, and there you have it. I think it turned out great. What do you think? What if you stencil, emboss, and then on top of the embossing add a few highlighted pieces of your card with some die cuts? Here we've got a more vintage look using the same set of stencils, mask, and then we've added some die cuts to the top of the embossing. I think it turned out great. What do you think? Well, I would thank you so much for watching me. Here we are at the end of the year, and I want to wish you a happy new year, and I look forward to 2025. Can't wait to see what it brings. Until next time, have a great day.